G'day. Today, I'm going to modify my Makita coffee machine. Stick around if you want to see it. Now that the sticker is off both sides, we're going to clean off any residue from the glue. Alright, the next step is to get some 400 grit sandpaper, rough it up. And scuffed up, we'll give it a clean. She's nice and clean and scuffed up. Now we'll get the blue tape out, then we can start the modification proper. Last up, and it was a pain. Let's get some colour on it. On my 3D printer, I can finish this transformation off. There we go. It's a little bit patchy, but I have a feeling it's going to work so much better.